Ever felt like you've been conned? That's exactly what it's like for the owners of these SUVs. Every time they turn the key, they're reminded of the $40,000 mistake they made. From eye-watering repair bills to unexpected breakdowns, these 6 SUVs prove that not all cars are created equal. Ready to find out which ones you should steer clear of? Buckle up. We're about to take you on a ride through the worst vehicles on the market, and trust us, this list might just save you thousands. Let's start with the model, the Nissan Rogue. At first glance, it seems like the perfect choice, stylish, affordable, and packed with features. But beneath that sleek exterior hides a nightmare waiting to happen. Owners have reported serious issues with its turbocharged 3-cylinder engine. It's equipped with variable compression technology, which sounds fancy, but in reality, it just means more things can go wrong. Drivers report strange knocking noises and sudden power loss. Even worse, complete engine failure is all too common, leaving many stranded on the road. And it doesn't stop there. The Nissan Rogue's infamous continuously variable transmission, or CVT, adds to the misery. This transmission is known for premature failure, and when it breaks, it can't be rebuilt. You're looking at a full replacement, which could cost more than the car's worth. So, if you're thinking about buying a Nissan Rogue, you might want to reconsider, unless you enjoy playing Russian roulette with your wallet. It's worth noting that even the basic maintenance costs for the Rogue can add up quickly. Owners have reported frequent trips to the mechanic for issues ranging from engine oil leaks to electrical malfunctions. While Nissan initially marketed the Rogue as a budget-friendly option, the long-term costs can make it anything but. Plus, the resale value plummets as soon as word gets out about these reliability concerns. Next up, we have the Infiniti QX50, the Rogue's fancier cousin. You might think a higher price tag guarantees better quality. Think again. The QX50 shares the same problematic engine and transmission as the Rogue, so you're essentially paying luxury prices for budget-level reliability. Consumer Reports even gave it a thumbs down, warning buyers to steer clear. Imagine shelling out top dollar for a luxury SUV, only to end up with endless repair bills. Not exactly the premium experience you signed up for. What makes this even more frustrating is Infiniti's reputation as a luxury brand. Customers expect high-end performance and durability, yet the QX50 fails to deliver on both fronts. Many owners have voiced concerns about the lack of responsiveness from Infiniti's customer service, making the experience even more disappointing. If you're in the market for a reliable luxury SUV, you might want to look elsewhere. Moving on to an SUV that's supposed to deliver rugged adventure, the Ford Bronco Sport. This compact SUV promises off-road excitement, but what you actually get is a potential fire hazard on wheels. The Bronco Sport's 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine has been plagued by cracking fuel injectors, leading to a massive recall. And when fuel injectors crack, you know what happens: engine fires. But wait, it gets worse. Even if your Bronco Sport doesn't catch fire, it might leave you stranded due to overheating or turbocharger failure. Ford has replaced so many engines under warranty that owners are questioning whether it's worth keeping their SUVs at all. Instead of adventuring off-road, you might find yourself making frequent trips to the dealership. To add insult to injury, the Bronco Sport's interior quality leaves much to be desired. While it looks rugged and ready for adventure, many owners have complained about cheap materials and poor build quality. Rattling noises and loose trim pieces can quickly turn your off-road dreams into a frustrating nightmare. If you're still considering the Bronco Sport, think about the long-term headaches it could bring. Sure, the initial price tag might be appealing, and it may come with some cool features, but what's the point if it spends more time in the shop than on the trail? For those seeking a true off-road vehicle, it might be wise to look elsewhere, unless you enjoy rolling the dice on reliability. Now, let's talk about Chrysler's attempt to revolutionize the minivan market, the Pacifica Hybrid. At first, it seemed like the perfect family vehicle, eco-friendly, spacious, and packed with features. But Chrysler's ambitious design didn't quite pan out. The Pacifica Hybrid has been plagued with hybrid system malfunctions, engine shutdowns, and electrical issues. Imagine being on a family road trip, only to have your engine quit in the middle of nowhere. That's not the kind of adventure anyone wants. To make matters worse, Chrysler technicians often struggle to diagnose and fix these problems, leaving owners frustrated. With so many recalls, the Pacifica Hybrid has earned a reputation as one of the most unreliable minivans on the market. Additionally, the Pacifica Hybrid's fuel economy, one of its main selling points, doesn't always live up to expectations. Some owners have reported that real-world mileage falls far short of what Chrysler advertises, especially in colder climates. Combine that with high maintenance costs, and it's easy to see why many regret their purchase. It's also important to consider the resale value of the Pacifica Hybrid. With its reputation for reliability issues, finding a buyer willing to take the risk can be challenging. Depreciation hits hard when a vehicle becomes known for frequent breakdowns and costly repairs. Families looking for a dependable minivan may find better options from brands with proven track records. Up next is a brand known for conquering rugged terrain, Jeep. Their 4xe hybrid models, including the Wrangler and Grand Cherokee, promise to blend legendary off-road capability with modern, eco-friendly tech. Unfortunately, they've turned into a reliability nightmare. Hybrid battery issues and drivetrain failures are common, leaving owners stranded. And in cold weather, the hybrid system struggles even more, making it unreliable for winter adventures. One owner summed it up perfectly. Buying a Jeep 4xe feels like signing up for constant disappointment. And it's not just the mechanical issues, even the electronics have a mind of their own, adding to the frustration. Jeep has long been synonymous with adventure and durability, but the 4xe models seem to tarnish that reputation. Whether it's software glitches or powertrain failures, the list of issues keeps growing. If you're considering a hybrid SUV for outdoor escapades, it's probably best to look at other options. To make matters worse, Jeep's hybrid models come with a premium price tag. Buyers expect top-tier performance and reliability when they pay more for a vehicle, but instead, they're met with endless mechanical troubles. Whether you're a longtime Jeep fan or a first-time buyer, it's crucial to weigh the potential risks before signing on the dotted line. Finally, we arrive at America's favorite workhorses, Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra. These trucks were once the pride of American roads, but recent models have been plagued with serious engine and transmission problems. The culprit? Cylinder deactivation technology. It's supposed to improve fuel efficiency, but instead, it's causing lifter failures and engine shutdowns. Owners report hearing unsettling noises before their engines give out entirely. And if that wasn't bad enough, GM's 10-speed automatic transmission is notorious for rough shifting and sudden failures. Even when repairs are covered under warranty, there's no guarantee the new parts won't have the same issues. It's like playing whack-a-mole with your wallet. One problem gets fixed, only for another to pop up. To make matters worse, the Silverado and Sierra also suffer from poor interior quality. Owners have noted that the cabins feel dated compared to competitors, with lower-grade materials and subpar fit and finish. When you're paying top dollar for a truck, you expect more than just a powerful engine, you want comfort and style too. It's worth mentioning that GM's customer service hasn't been much help either. Many frustrated owners have reported long wait times for repairs and difficulty getting clear answers about recurring issues. If you're in the market for a reliable truck, it's essential to consider all these factors before making a decision. So, what's the takeaway? When shopping for an SUV or truck, don't just look at the price tag or the brand reputation. Do your homework. Read real owner reviews, check reliability ratings, and think long-term. A car that seems like a great deal up front can quickly turn into a money pit. Remember, the true cost of a vehicle isn't just its sticker price, it's the endless repair bills, wasted time, and lost peace of mind. Choose wisely, and your future self and your wallet will thank you. Drive safe. In conclusion, whether you're eyeing a budget-friendly SUV, a luxury crossover, or a rugged off-roader, reliability should always be a top priority. The last thing you want is to invest in a vehicle that spends more time in the shop than on the road. By doing your research and staying informed, you can avoid costly mistakes and find a vehicle that truly meets your needs. Ultimately, buying a car is a significant investment. Taking the time to research and read about common issues can make all the difference. Don't be swayed by flashy marketing or sleek designs alone. Look beyond the surface, dig into the details, and choose a vehicle that offers both performance and peace of mind. With a bit of diligence, you can drive off the lot with confidence, knowing you made a smart choice. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like and share your opinion. And write in the comments what you'd like the next theme to be. Turn on the notification because the next video will be even more interesting. Also, we'd love to hear from you. What's the worst car buying mistake you've ever made?